be obvious that most dealerships buy their cars from the same place. So the main variant when selecting a dealership is experience. Where will you have the best experience? Who has the largest selection of vehicles to choose from? Who will treat you like family? And who invests the most in your local community? The answer is Checkered Flag. We have over 11 franchises offering thousands of vehicles at any time. And we've been providing stellar customer service since 1964. Also, we're the largest family-owned and operated dealer group in Southern Virginia. And you might wonder, why is that important to me? It means that when you do business with Checkered Flag, your money is reinvested back into our local community with jobs, charity, and taxes we pay. And it's about a lot more than that. When you begin researching for your next purchase, which you might be doing right now, your first introduction to Checkered Flag is checkeredflag.com. It's one of the most resourceful automotive websites available. In fact, it was recently awarded as the #1 dealership website in the nation. Always offering you the best incentives, specials, and the latest news happening in Checkered Flag and around Hampton Roads. We're constantly updating it, and we appreciate your feedback. Before you ever step foot in a Checkered Flag store, our customer care center is available to help you by phone, live instant chat, or email on your time. Once you're here, it's all about you. You'll be presented all of your purchase options from the start, open and up front on one piece of paper. It's called the Winner's Choice. Everything will be easy and at your fingertips, and you can take advantage of our long-established relationships with the best lending creditors. It doesn't end when you buy your car. Checkered Flag takes care of you like family in your service and parts departments. It's not just about customer service here, it's also about saving you money with our Winner's Edge package. It makes a lot of your routine maintenance free and discounts many of the things that may just pop up. Come to Checkered Flag, where winners shop online, service, rent, give back, buy, and get free stuff.